Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be discussing the role of an operations manager, which is extremely crucial for ensuring smooth, efficient, and effective business processes in any organization. So in today's fast-paced and competitive business environment, companies are continuously and consistently striving to improve productivity, reduce costs, and deliver high-quality products and services to their customers. This is where the role of an operations manager becomes highly efficient, as they are responsible for managing the core functioning of the business and ensuring everything runs seamlessly on a day to day basis. An operations manager is responsible for overseeing and managing the daily operations of a business. Their primary goal is to ensure that all the processes are running smoothly and efficiently, resources are being properly utilized, costs are controlled, and quality standards are maintained. They play a key role in transforming inputs such as raw materials, labor, and technology into final goods or services that meet customers' expectations. In simple terms, they ensure that the business operates smoothly without disruptions while maintaining profitability and customer satisfaction. The responsibilities of an operations manager are wide ranging and require a strong understanding of various important functions. One of them being is process management, which involves designing, analyzing, and continuously improving operational processes to enhance efficiency, productivity, and proficiency. For example, they may streamline workflows or introduce automation to reduce delays and errors. And another key responsibility is supply chain coordination, where they can manage procurement, warehousing, inventory, and logistics. This ensures that the right materials are available at the right time and place, avoiding any delays or shortages or stockouts. Quality control is another crucial or critical aspect of their role. And they need to ensure that products or services meet the required quality standards and customer expectations. They may implement quality checks, standard operating procedures, and continuous improvement techniques to maintain consistency. Resource management is equally important, as they are responsible for optimizing the use of manpower, machinery, and materials to achieve maximum productivity and efficiency. This includes the workforce planning, scheduling, and ensuring proper utilization of available resources. Cost control is also a major responsibility, where operations manager focuses on reducing the operational expenses without compromising on quality. The they identify various areas of inefficiencies, wastes, or unnecessary costs, and take corrective actions to improve profitability. Also, in addition to this, problem solving is a key aspect of their job, as they must handle unexpected challenges and situations such as supply chain disruptions, machine breakdowns, or delays in delivery. Their ability to think quickly and make effective decisions helps in minimizing disruptions to operations. Coordination and collaboration are also essential in this role, because they need to work closely with different departments such as production, sales, procurement, and logistics to ensure that all the activities are aligned with the organization's goals. For instance, they coordinate with the sales team to understand demand forecast and with the production team to ensure timely manufacturing and delivery. The coordination helps in achieving overall business efficiency. Uh, to succeed as an operations manager, one needs a combination of technical knowledge and along with strong managerial skills. Analytical thinking is also very crucial, as it helps in evaluating processes, identifying inefficiencies, and making data driven decisions. Uh, Also, problem solving skills are equally important for handling operational challenges and ensuring smooth functioning. Time management is another critical skill, as they must ensure that operations are completed within a given state of time, and customer commitments are also met. Knowledge of supply chain and logistics is required to provide timely delivery and proper management of inventory. Also, adaptability and ability to work under pressure are important traits as operations often involve handling unexpected situations and dynamic environments.